What up, YouTube friends? I am back for my second video for today. Thank you for the 4 likes on the Michael Jackson, the King of Pop chair that I have found today. Thank you for those 4 views, and I really appreciate it. So in this video, when I went to the Dollar Tree store, I found more ninja items. If you love my videos so much, keep on the liking and subscribing to my channel, the Anime Adventures. So, if you're a big fan of ninjas, it could be like Dragon Ball Z, Naruto, the Spy Ninja merch. It could be, like Dragon Ball Z, Naruto, who else? Cobra Kai, and all ninja items. And I really appreciate if you keep on subscribing to my channel. And also, if you like Lego Ninjago video, stay tuned for that. So first thing, when I went to the store today, I found some really cool ninja stickers. So yeah, check that out. So yeah. And I found some really cool ninja stickers. Let's see if I can open it. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, I will add that with my ninja items. The 9 stickers. And I will toss this. And the smaller items I want to open with you guys. I got more Kung Fu Panda. So if you like Kung Fu Panda, give him a big thumbs up. So this one is Jack Black as the panda. Here we go. The Dragon Slayer. So, yeah, I got Jack Black as the Dragon Slayer from the Kung Fu Panda. Yeah. Let me test the packaging. And I got their sensei as well from, this is the Master Shifu. So, Master Sifu. I have those two, and then I have Sniper up there already. So, yeah. And the last item is another ninja mask. But this mask, light up mask. That's what it looks like. Do that. We're gonna try this out. Yeah. Let's turn off the lights. This is hype. I hope you like this video. Cool. If you like ninja items, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you give me 2 thumbs ups if you like this type of content. I got Pal, the Dragon Slayer, Jack Black, Esther Panda, Master Sifu. Big thumbs up for those. And also big thumbs up of the light up mask. The light up ninja mask. So, my ninjas and spy ninjas out there. I am Ninja Lindsey, as your host with the most. And I see you next time on my new video. God, I love ninja items. And I just want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. To the anime adventures of all ninja items. Could be like little statues from Kung Fu Panda. It could be movies related. And also the 6-pack Naruto. Like any type of items you want to see, I will make that contact for you. So, I will see you on my next new video. To all the ninjas out there, and the spy ninjas as well. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you like this type of content. And make sure you give me 2 big thumbs up blast on this video with a major cool ninja mask. Because Halloween is coming up pretty soon. Who knows when I'm gonna be for Halloween. So yeah. And I will see you on my next new video on my channel, The Anime Adventures. Namaste. Make sure you like this video, type the content, and please subscribe to my channel to The Anime Adventures. If you want to see more great content, you gotta come to this channel. Please hit the like button, another thumbs up blasting, and also please subscribe down below. And I have a special announcement on Wednesday for you guys, so stay tuned for that. And I will see you on my brand new video. See you tomorrow. With love is love. With LOVE. I see you tomorrow. Peace. From your spy ninja in training and a real ninja in your hearts. And I see you tomorrow. Peace.